Not understand it either.
So we are in the same boat. We don't understand.
Well, we are always in the same boat, and so we have to
Because
go together.
for the information of the rest who are here, I had the privilege to be there in Malacanang. And I was telling the Ponente, who is now the Executive Secretary of the President, you know too well, Justice, that a decision, unless there is a motion for reconsideration, unless there's a continuing case being still deliberated, such a case is already final.
Apiniting mapilang pisabyan king open forum ning League of Cities of the Philippines King Clark at teguna ng Batangas Governor Hermelando Mandanas anyang July 25. Imandanas ing primary petitioner king meging Supreme Court ruling amika decentralization king national government. Panaunan dating Presidente Rodrigo Duterte anyang lumuwalya mo rin ing Executive Order number 138 o ing full devolution of power anasang mamye mas maragula shares keng income kareng lokal na kapanibalan. Keng exclusive interview ning CLTV 36 News kang Governor Mandanas, sinabi na ni Tina nakanuain dyan ot bakit pa rin patupad Presidente Bongbong Marcos ing may sabing batas.
Hindi naintindihan, as I mentioned earlier. I mean, it's the only thing that would blind that is really they couldn't see that we could do our work better than them. Only the work that were devolved. And that's why they're keeping the money because they think they could do it better. And they're trying to do it. But you could see the effect.
Rin kanuminasa ang gobernador abanggitan ay iting PBBM king kayang milabas sa State of the Nation address. Anya mo naman kanu ay iwasan ay kumpara ing kasalungsungan na Presidente Marcos Jr. ampoy milabas sa Presidente Duterte.
No, inaasahan ko na kasi bago pa lang eh. So talagang still trying to absorb the situation. Ang nakakaintindi nito, si President Duterte. Totoo lang, because he was a mayor and practicing mayor. Kaya nga lang sabi niya, yung mga kasama niya sa finance, sa DBM, sa NEDA, puro magagaling naman sa finance. So, mahusay siya sa local government. So, sinunod na lang niya. But in his heart and soul, alam niya, that's why he is pushing for ito talagang decentralization.
So, nakukulangan po kayo?
Well, ang nakukulangan, alam mo, hindi lang ako, buong bansa.
Agpang pakareng aliwang tinagon keng pamiti po ning LCP, sinabi dang maulagaya kanong maging klaro ing posisyoning karelang liga, dikil keng pisasabyan na ini. Malolos City Mayor Christian Natividad, ametong abogado, aintindya na kanuna, final and executory ing pasyaning Supreme Court at dapat iting mipatupad.
Precisely kung bakit meron tayong League of Cities of the Philippines, LMPs and our other LGU functionaries and organizations. Sila na dapat na mag-voice out noon. Kasama na kami doon na dialogue na lang yun. Naniniwala po ako na pagka yan naupuan ng isang maayos, magkakaintindihan po. Sa lalong madaling panahon, time is of the essence. Ang kalaban po natin dito ay panahon. Sayang ang oras. Dapat po upuan yan at maibigay na sa taong bayan.
Samantala, kinumpirma namang LCP President at Cebu Mayor Michael Rama na kayabe iti kareng maging pisasabyan keng tutuking meeting.
That will have to be discussed, hopefully, if it's going to be included in the other matters, because that matter can always be incorporated in the National Executive Board, which will be presided by the chairman, and the chairman is Albi Benitez.
Paolo G. Santos, CLTV 36 News.